Are you working on your strategy deployment, working really hard to align your organization? I hope so. What about your strategy management process? What does that look like? I'm talking a little bit about that in this episode. Stay tuned for more. Hey, my name is Johan Mylov. I'm the founder and CEO of Lean Dimensions International. I'm out here in the beautiful countryside in England, and I'm preparing myself to work with a customer on their strategy. And that makes me think about how often situations occur where companies want to build strategies and do strategy deployment. It's quite popular nowadays to do that. But one part we don't think so much about, and for some companies not even planned for, is the strategy management. Because after you develop the strategy, which is supposed to take you towards your vision, the trick is obviously to be able to manage that. So what you need to think about when you manage a strategy? Well, the biggest problem with strategy and deployments over a year is that you go off the rails once in a while. And when you go off the rails, you need to know how to get back again. But in order to know that, you need to understand what was it that made you go off the rail. So we don't jump to conclusions on the reasons for that. So we really dig into that understanding, because now by doing that, we truly understand the organization and how we really work in our culture. Because some things always happen in the organization and some things never happen in the organization. And you can clearly see that if you build a strategy management system and follow that very closely during the year. Do you recognize this situation in your business and you feel that you want to build a strategy management system? Feel free to contact me. I'll be so happy to help out. We have a fantastic team that can do a great job for you. Like and share the video as well. And thank you so much for listening.